What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Luxor. Had to come inside because housekeeping is cleaning. It's a little noisy outside. We're going to do a room tour of the 2-queen pyramid premium room, the newly remodeled room. So as you come in, this is your entryway, and immediately to the left is the bathroom. So just prepare your ears momentarily because it's going to get loud. But this is your bathroom. So you got a single vanity sink, nice countertop space. You got your dryer here, and you have a very big mirror above, so plenty of counter space. In the middle is your toilet, and then behind, across from the mirror, is your walk-in shower. So it's a half enclosed shower. There's no curtain to close it, but they do have updated tiling, and they look like they've updated the shower head. So it's a nice clean bathroom, does look nice. And we'll cut that fan vented light off because that's going to be a headache for some people. But coming out the bathroom, you do have a full body mirror so that you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. You got to be fresh when you head out. And then making our way into the main part of the room, you have your 2 queen beds here. And then as you see above, they've got a different type of wallpaper to, distinguish the rooms. So this wallpaper will signify their premium rooms. In the middle, you do have your lamp here. It actually has standard charging ports on both sides. So if you've got multiple people, they can have their own charging ports. And then let me get back over here. This switch right here controls the reading lamps above. So there's a switch in the middle to control this big lamp, but those will control the reading lamps above for those who need to use those lights. Now across from the beds, as you can see, this is your entertainment space, and a lot of talk online has been talking about how this looks very familiar. So if you know, you know. With that said, here is a flat screen TV, wall mounted. Is nice, and then below you have a connectivity panel. So if you have some media and you need to hook up some devices, you have a connectivity panel to do so, or even charge some things. However, there is no mini refrigerator, and in most of the rooms at Luxor, there's normally an empty mini refrigerator, but this one doesn't have one, so that's very unfortunate. These are drawers in case you need to store some things, so you've got space for that. Ice bucket and cups, which you'll definitely need since there is no empty mini refrigerator. Of course, you've got mirrors here as well, but you have a non-block full body mirror over there, so pretty sure people would prefer that. This is your closet, so you've got your iron and ironing board. Iron's tucked over there in the corner, and then you've got some hangers, so lights up as you open the door. So for whatever reason you need to open the closet, when the lights are off, you will be able to see what you're doing. And then over here off to the side is a luggage rack, so got that instead of being in the closet. And if you're here with a group of people and you all have a connecting room, this would be the door to access both rooms. If you do have extra guests, you do have a table and a couple of chairs, so more space if you got people around. And then over to this side, you have a desk space. So if you're in town and need to do some work, or you just need a place to do what you need to do, you've got a table and a chair here. And of course, with all of the sanitary measures, you do get a cleaning kit. So that'll give you a face mask and hand sanitizer. And your view. So this view from this room will be at, because Luxor's at the end of the strip, you get to see Mandalay Bay and the Delano, and that'll be the rest of the city going down the south part of the strip. But you do get to see the Raiders Stadium. So if you're going to be in town because you want to catch a game when that is available, this might be a great room for you. And that's going to do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.